Hi, my name is Anita Foster. I'm the Library Media Specialist from Autry Middle School in Kennesaw, Georgia. And today, let's learn about how to make a movie in BrainPop. Okay, so I've just watched this solar system movie that my teacher just assigned for me to do. And she's asked me to make a movie. So what do I need to do? Over here on the right-hand side, it has Make a Movie. So I'm going to click on that. And then I can answer a letter that's already written for me, or I can write a new one. So I'm going to answer a letter. You can choose to write your own letter, and that is fine. It's up to whatever the teacher tells you to do. And if she doesn't, then it's up to you. You can decide. So how did the solar system form? What's the difference between a comet and an asteroid? And how does the sun produce energy? I'm going to go to this one. Okay, so then it brings me up here to my building platform. And I'm going to drag anything that I want to over to this side. So the first thing I'm going to look at is backgrounds. I may want to use this background. Or I may want to use this background and just have it as a black background, and then that way I can drag my own stuff onto it. So then I can drag any of the planets or anything over here onto this side. I can make them smaller by going in the corner and making them smaller or larger. So maybe I want to put this one back here like it's out in space at a distance. That's as small as that one's going to go. I can click here to edit it, and I can click here to delete it. Let's throw in some asteroids. And then I can also add annotate it. So when you annotate, this is the text that you're going to put here. So I can drag this over and type my text in here. If I drag this over, the only difference is it has it with a black background rather than clear. I can put some shapes over here, or I can even do an arrow right here. And then drag it where I want it, and like I did before, I can resize it. It does save your movie quite often. So I can make my arrow larger, but that's the smallest it'll go. I can draw on here if I don't want to use what is already done. I can, or if I want to do like a circle around something. Look at this right here and draw notice to it. I can do that. I can do a shape around it or anything like that. I'm going to undo those because we really don't need those. I'm going to close out of this. I can also, I like this thing, and I need to show you here. On build, let's say the picture that I want is not here. Well, I can click see more, and it will load more into here. But maybe I want a picture of a flower. I know that has nothing to do with space, but I'm looking for a picture of a flower. All I had to do is search, and it brings me all of the flowers from all the other BrainPop videos. Okay, so you're not limited to the solar system one that you started with. But if you close that X out, it brings you back to that. Now here's the cool thing. Oh, let me show you this up here first before I do the cool thing. So a scene can be, you can have up to 20 scenes. Right now this is only 4 seconds long. I can click on this and I can say, you know what, I want this to be 10 seconds long. Okay, I can do it for up to 30 seconds. and then I can click add a scene, and then I can start over and add my next scene into my video. Now here's the cool thing. I'm going to click sound, add sound. I can use the computer's voice, or I can record my own voice. What you can do over here is you can type, so I'm going to say record my voice. Hello, this is Mrs. Foster, and today we're going to learn about solar systems. Let's read our letter. And I can continue to record like that. And there you go. When you're done, you can preview it, and then you can save it, and then this isn't going to be much just because Miss Foster didn't do a whole thing. Now my recording is only on that one slide, so you record by slide. Hello, this is Mrs. Foster, and today we're going to learn about solar systems. Let's read our letter. Okay, so the more that I add to it, the better my video is going to be. Now this video isn't much. I just wanted to show you how to use the components of how to do it. And then you should be able to hit save. I don't know why it's grayed out there. And there's some other ones that I've done before. Maybe it wants me to produce more on it, but you should be able to hit save. And then let's go to another one of my movies that I did. I did one here for citing sources. And then when I hit save, it saves it. And then it adds it to my movies. And then up here, when you're done with it, you should be able to save it. See, now I can save it. And you should be able, I'm in here as a teacher, I'm not in here as a student, but when you save it, you should be able to turn it in as an assignment to your teacher who made the assignment for you in BrainPop. All right? So that's a real quick lesson on how to create a BrainPop movie. I hope you enjoy.